today I'm going to talk about chemistry. So, what is meant by chemistry? In one word, basically, it is the study of the substance. What is meant by a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction happens when the molecules of the other substance break apart and then combine together with other substance that a different compound can be created. And now, how can we tell if a chemical reaction has occurred? The molecular identity of matter changes to new form, chemical decomposition into two or more different substances, and the chemical reaction occur and atoms start to rearrange. And here is some signs that we have a chemical reaction. First of all, formation of gases. The color change and the energy change and the odor change. So what is an odor? An odor is a distinctive smell, especially an unpleasant one, as we see in these pictures. I'm going to talk about the precipitation. What is the precipitation? The precipitation is the process of transforming a dissolved substance into an insoluble solid from a supersaturated solution. The solid formed is called the precipitate. An example on precipitation. As we see the solution, the suspension, and the precipitate at the end, and the supernatant. So what is a color change? A change in color is also another characteristic of a chemical reaction taking place. This change in color is an evidence of a chemical reaction. However, you must take care that the color can be simply mixed. What is meant by gas bubbles? The formation of gas is the third sign that reaction may have bubbles when two liquids are mixed, usually indicates gas. A gas can also be formed when solid is added to a solution. Now, what is meant by an energy change? The energy change in a chemical reaction is due to the difference in the amount of stored chemical energy between the products and the reactants, and this stored chemical energy of the system is known as its enthalpy. And here is a small example on energy change, as you see here. So the endothermic reaction takes energy to break the bonds of the reactants. Energy is released when new bonds in the products are formed. It takes more energy to break the bonds of the reaction than is released. Talk about the types of the chemical reaction. First, combination. Second, decomposition. Third, single replacement. Fourth, double replacement. Fifth, the combustion. And last, acid-base neutralization.
جاهزون يا أطفال؟ لا أسمعكم.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
And now I'm going to explain each type of chemical reaction. Let me start first with the decomposition. The decomposition is the effect of simplifying a single chemical entity into two or more fragments. And now I'm going to take the second type of the chemical reaction, which is the single replacement. A single replacement is a chemical reaction in which one element replaces another in a compound. For example, A plus PC equals AC plus P. going to take the third type of chemical reaction, which is double replacement. It's also called double displacement. It occurs when parts of two ionic compounds are exchanged, making two new compounds, and usually they switch their places and form two new. Here we have the first type of the chemical reaction, which is the combustion reaction. It's the high temperature exothermic redox chemical reaction between a fuel and an oxidant. It usually produces gaseous products in a mixture termed as smoke. The last type of the chemical reaction, neutralization reaction. It is the chemical reaction in which acid and the base react.